here we go, guys. This is Case 2. Case 2, Tier 1. Case 2. Pick your team. If you guys don't know what team you have, check it out on Facebook. But here we go. 2015 Tier 1. Last case was decent. Nothing fabulous, though. Here we go, guys. 12-box case. It's time for a bat knob. Alright, here we go. Number 349, Dellin Betances for the Yankees. Number 249, Michael Kadire for the New York Mets. Number 50, Ryan Braun, dual relic for the Brewers. And number 25, Madison Bumgarner, triple relic for the Giants. Reed Roofer, you have a random team, correct? You're in the next case. Guys, random teams are in the next case. All right, number 349, Maikel Franco for the Phillies. Number 399, Rondell White. They're putting a lot of the 90s guys in here, man. That's going to go to the Nationals. Number 199, Jose Abreu, relic for the White Sox. Browns fan wants a bat knob. I have hit an Albert Bell bat knob before out of Tier 1 2 years ago. I don't know if he has one in this, but... Alright, Henderson Alvarez for the Marlins. Miami Marlins, number 349. Number 50, Roberto Alomar for the Blue Jays. Nice little hit for the Blue Jays. Then we got number 199, Bryce Harper for the Nationals, base relic. We got some thickness. Baby thickness. We got some baby thickness. Alright, number 349, Jorge Soler for the Cubs. We're going to have a patch autograph, number 99. It's going to be David Wright for the New York Mets. Patch auto, two-color patch. And number 199, Craig Biggio for the Houston Astros. Base relic. Alrighty, we got number 399, Kenneth Vargas for the Twins. Number 299, Alan Craig for the Red Sox, having a terrible season. Number 399, Elvis Andrus for the Rangers. Number 199, Yu Darvish for the Rangers. Come on, Tier 1. Get us some better hits than this. Oh my goodness! Number 10! Wait till you see the patch on this! Holy patch! Number 10! Brandon Belt for the Giants. Holy shit! Look at that patch right there for the San Francisco Giants. Wow! Wow! What a hit right there. Brandon frickin' Belt. Beautiful card right there for the Giants. And then we got number 25 for the Oakland Athletics, Sean Doolittle, Copper Rose autograph. And number 399, Greg Vaughn for the Brewers. What a patch. Go Giants. Alright, number 349. It is a shame. This autograph is like worn off. Jock Peterson for the Dodgers. It's a very faint autograph for the Dodgers. And then number 149, Brian McCann for the New York Yankees. And number to 399, Evan Longoria. Why is that his motto, man? Why does he do that? All his autos are like that. Bullshit. Alright, number 399, the Giants again. Joe Panic. Autograph. Oh my, number 25, dual patch autograph, and it is a beauty. Big Poppy for the Boston Red Sox. Nice hit right there. Number 25. And number 399 for the Phillies, Chase Utley, relic. Alright, number 349, Shane Green, and oh my god, Mudex is going to love me. Number 10, silver autograph, Chipper Jones for the Atlanta Braves. Mudex is going to love me tonight. Chipper, number 10, beautiful hit right there. And number 50, Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Beautiful. Hold on, guys. I got a bid on something on eBay. Ah, never mind. Alright, number 399, Aaron Sanchez for the Blue Jays. Number 399, Matt Williams for the Diamondbacks. Number 399, Tim Lincecum for the Giants. And number 25, Ricky Henderson, triple relic for the Oakland A's. 2 boxes left. This is very light, guys. This could be a possible redemption. It's going to definitely redemption. Definite redemption. Gotta be. It's not. All right, number 399, Rafael Montero for the Mets. Video froze. Video looks fine over here. You alright? Alright, number 399, Terry Pendleton for the St. Louis Cardinals. A lot of new names this year from older guys. And number 299, Tim Raines for the Montreal Expos, going to the Nationals. All right, last box, guys. I said I was going to slow down. I went quick.
People assume that because your paycheck says a lot of numbers, that you're happy. Everything in life is good.
Alright, here we go. Last box, guys. Number 25 for the Washington Nationals. Copper Rose. Copper Rose. Michael Taylor. Michael Taylor for the Nationals. Very nice hit right there. And then we got number 399, Mookie Wilson for the New York Mets. And number 99, Hoyt Wilhelm for the Giants. What the? Oh my God, man. You can't win anything on eBay anymore, guys. Books David, I got one more after this at 1040. You cannot win anything on eBay anymore. People just use that snipe website, and you're screwed every single time. Horseshit, man. Alright, guys, that is the second case. That was a lot better. Let's show just the top hits here. I'm not going to go through every hit again, but here's a nice one. Michael Taylor for the Nationals, number 25. Birdland fans going to cry. Why is that, Bub? Orioles didn't do too good, did they? Number 10, Chipper Jones for the Atlanta Braves. Then we got Big Poppy, dual patch autograph for the Red Sox.
You could tell he was trying to protect Matt, and then when he up to throw him out, he was like, okay, my job's done. I need to go.
Number 25, Sean Doolittle for the A's. Copper Rose. Beautiful freaking patch. Brandon Belt for the Giants. Number 10. That is a beauty. I can't wait for Marlins patches like that to show up. And then we got a David Wright patch auto for the New York Mets. Best team to have in this, I would say, is the Boston Red Sox from what I see. Derek, 3 blanks. Man. Sorry, bub. I'll hook you up next break, man, for sure. The Soler was number to 299, I believe. Let me check. Books David, I don't have anything left, man. I am all full for tonight. Guys, check the eBay breakout, though. If you guys want the link, let me know. But on eBay, I have a break for Friday night listed by team. And I also will have a Bowman Jumbo case as well Friday night. Sean, no way. I would have never filled 20 cases, bub.